Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the new iPhone 12 Pro coming later this year. So we just saw the iPhone SE 2 obviously, but this new iPhone is going to be much different. So Apple is projected to actually shrink the notch from the current notch size, which we have right here. Also rocking the iPhone 10 wallpaper on an 11 Pro, but they're going to shrink the notch size, so not going full notchless this year. We'll probably see that in 2023 because Apple did the iPhone 10, which was the 10, and then the 10s, which was an S update, and then the 11 Pro, which was a camera update. So I'm thinking we'll see the same thing with the new lineup, so we probably won't see that until 2023. And so yeah, that's probably what the iPhone whatever by then, 15, 14, whatever it'll be by then, that'll be the new one without the notch. Also, Apple is apparently not going to go USB-C, they're going to go Lightning again. Leaks show that they're going to go portless before USB-C, which I think is stupid because who's going to want a port? I mean, I don't want a portless phone personally. I feel like that just makes, if they do it too soon, it's going to make everything too difficult. Like right now, if they did it, it'd be too soon, I feel like. Although I feel like Apple would probably sell a lot of those just because of that new feature, portless, only wireless charging. I mean, personally for me, I don't think I like that because that'll just make life a lot harder. That'll make everyone have to spend more money on a wireless charging pad, but Apple might include them in the box by then, but that'll bring up the price of the iPhone. So, personally, that's just my opinion about the portless. So, Apple is not going to go 4 cameras this year. They're going to go 3, but they're going to add a LiDAR scanner like the iPhone, not the iPhone, the iPad Pro, the new ones. Also, Apple is going to go, so that'll be located right here where the where this microphone is. It'll be located right there, or speaker, it'll be located right there. So the camera arrangement will be a little different than it currently is. Also Apple is going to make it more like an iPad Pro-like design, like the new iPad Pros, which I'm really excited for that. I feel like that'll be really nice. Ever since I saw those new iPads, I'm like, Apple, can you bring back the phones looking like that? That'll look awesome. So, also Apple, so there will be either 4 or 3, so we'll see a 6.7-inch Max, which is probably the one I'll pick up because that's the one that is most intriguing to me, the bigger one. I've got the 5.8 currently, which is a great size, just want something a little bigger. The 6.1-inch, and I believe a 4.7-inch smaller one, which will be more like a smaller sized phone. It'll be more like iPhone 8 size, but with these bezels, which is stupid because there's the iPhone SE for those. But personally, I think it's Apple, so you never know what they're gonna do. So there should hopefully be a 128GB storage base, since that's what they did with the iPads this year. So hopefully we'll see that. We'll also see a new navy blue color to replace the midnight green color, which I have right here, the midnight green. So new navy blue to probably replace this, and then you'll see your silver, your black, and your gold like every other year. And so LiDAR scanner, as I said, right below the third camera, right below one of them, so it'll look like it has 4, but it won't. The LiDAR scanner will actually be a little more flush than the cameras. Apple's also supposed to make the camera bump a little bit more flush than it is now. I mean, it's pretty flush as it is now compared to past years, but hey, if they want to make it more flush, then let them do it, right? So it'll make the overall experience much better, I guess. Also, there was also a leak that Apple would move the mute switch, but I don't see that happening. And also a couple other things. So, of course, this is gonna be like the new upgrade, not like the S upgrade. So we should be looking forward to seeing this phone coming in either September or November with what's going on. We don't know, anytime between then. So I hope you guys enjoyed this leaks video, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.